what I'm about to show you, well, a picture is worth 1,000 words. In my opinion, a short tech video like this is worth 1,000,000 words. You guys might not believe what you're going to see here, because I did a dry run and I'm like, holy cow, I've never tried that before. So here we go. This is a detent locking ball terminal. Okay, that is a detent ball, and they all have it. These terminals are OEM YAZAKI. All terminals, see that hole in that terminal? All spade terminals on starters, cooling temperature sending units, oil pressure sending units, fuse box connectors have this hole feature. If we have a hole here and we have a locking detent ball, that equals one thing: positive grip detent ball locking feature. I'm gonna put the terminal on a set of duckbill needle nose, and I am going to engage the terminal, the female positive grip with the detent ball, to the male's terminal stud with the hole is engaged with that hole. In addition to that, you have a spring-loaded terminal on the bottom, and then you have the C grip on the top. So it's gripped from the bottom with a spring-loaded terminal. That's a positive grip, and then you have the two contacts. Get my fat finger out of there. You have the two contacts here. So does that make sense? Special positive grip terminal with detent locking ball feature. Now I want to show you guys something. There's no smoke and mirrors here. Like, I don't have a string attached to this, but I did this. So I was trying to pull off. Watch this. The power of the locking detent ball. Boom. That starter is being, that terminal, that detent locking ball is enough to pull that starter. This does, see if I could lift this off the ground with just the positive locking ball. I doubt it, but we're gonna see. Come on, come on, come on. Can you do it? Can you do it? Oh no, he didn't do it. Well, no, the terminal stayed on. My pliers fell off. So let's see. I doubt it's gonna do it. Oh, it didn't do it. So anyway, but they lifted it off the ground. That's pretty darn impressive. Look at the body of the starter and the 12-ounce Sprite can there. Same size. This is the state-of-the-art stuff right here. And this was state-of-the-art back in the 60s, and it still is today.